Hello everyone, welcome to the Travel Indulgence, which is an integral part of the Art Indulgence. This video will include all the information regarding the cost and the things to do in Kanha National Park. So let's start. We are all set to move towards Kanha National Park, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and we are moving from Raipur by road. There are so many fields covered with solar panels for generating electricity, solar energy. Distance of Kanha from Raipur is 241 kilometers, and we have already traveled half of the distance. You can see the beauty of the scenes in between. We have started at 9:30 a.m. in the morning after doing the breakfast, and we will do the lunch in Kanha National Park, the resort over there. It will take around 5 or 5.5 hours to reach there. It is around 3 p.m. and we have reached our resort, Club Mahindra, Kanha. Club Mahindra has a chain of resorts all over India, few abroad also. You can take their yearly plan and can enjoy any of them, their resorts anywhere, anytime. Beautiful flower arrangements, and you can see the Gond painting, which is a traditional tribal art of Chhattisgarh MP. This is the reception area. We are entering the reception. Let's finalize our rooms and all. One more pot of natural flowers, so beautiful it is. Let's enter our room now. My son is showing you the room. Our room is 1BR, means it has one bedroom and one extra room, a hall type room which is having one bed for kids, and a beautiful small balcony, means medium sized balcony. So many trees out there, and it's December time, so there is a little bit of cold outside, and definitely mosquitoes will come, so better to keep the door closed. And you can see a small dining table and small kitchen shelf area. The shelf area is having a microwave, an electric kettle, and all the crockeries and cutleries required for the microwave. And the tap has both the provision of hot and cold water with a fridge inside a shelf. This microwave helped us a lot, as with a baby, it was very easy to cook food for her. Beside the shelf, there is a very spacious cupboard with a side table, a large side table. Now I will show you the main bedroom. The bedroom is also very spacious with a makeup table and the television and a very spacious cupboard inside. And this is the washroom just beside the main entrance. Now let's go downstairs. In the garden you can see the beautiful flowers all over, and these are very teeny tiny oranges. They are so cute. I will show you how teeny tiny they are. This is a quick view of the garden area, and there is a stall over there. It's evening time. We have already taken our lunch, and I will show you a stall area which is providing garam chai and pakore and all. Weather is so mesmerizing here. It's December time and halki si thand with all the chai and pakore. It's really awesome. And this is the back side of the resort. It's very cool here, it's very soothing here. You can see the beautiful tents over here. All the tents are having single bedroom, single BR or whatever, and it's very awesome. Such a beautiful click with my babies, and it's just after lockdown. My kiddos are enjoying very much with their grandparents, and you can see even my husband is enjoying, and I am also enjoying by taking pictures and recording video. This is December 2020, and we have just got a little bit relaxation from the lockdown, as corona cases has got down. So you can understand the joy and excitement we are having at this place after 7 or 8 months of confinement at our homes. We are here for 3 days as we have to celebrate the anniversary of our in-laws, sorry, my in-laws. But if you are having 2 days or a weekend, means Saturday, Sunday, those 2 days are more than sufficient to visit and tour Kanha. The whole day well spent. Now we are going for dinner. This is the entrance of the restaurant. You can see how beautifully wooden ladders are decorated over here. In front of that there is a table tennis table. Kids game zone and club are upstairs, but it is closed due to COVID reasons, and swimming pool is also closed. And these are we after dinner. Now it's the second day and we are here for the breakfast. You can see my baby how beautifully she is enjoying her dosa. So done with our breakfast, let's go outside. Here you can see there are different activities. There are so many activities for elders and kids, and there are persons to coach you. एंड हियर माई हस्बैंड इज़ लर्निंग आर्चरी, तीरंदाजी. जब तक वो अपनी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं सीखते हैं. लेट्स गो टू द बैक साइड. And this is the back side of our rooms, and you can see the roosters over here. Means they are of all colors, so big roosters over here. Let's go back and join my hubby and baby and my in-laws. You can see my baby, his name is Arjun. Due to lockdown his hairs have grown up so much and he's looking so cute in that. And after archery they are doing shooting, they are learning shooting. So let me pose for a photograph. I know मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, फिर भी let's do a pose. Just after the lunch we are out for the jungle. You can see the excitement over the faces. Here you can see the line. You have to take the tickets. For taking the tickets you have to come at least 2 hours before the entrance time, and this is the evening time. So let's do our time pass by clicking the pictures unless until the gate opens. And this is the counter area, means ticket area, and beside there is a small souvenir shop. So after 1.5 hours of waiting we are finally entering the jungle. This is just the starting of the jungle. For these open jeeps you have to pay extra. These are not included in the resort fare, and at least 6 person can accommodate here, means 6 normal size person, but we are all heavy persons, so 4 can sit comfortably. Kanha, also known as Kanha Kisli National Park, is a tiger reserve, so we are here to spot the tigers. Let's check our luck. So it is not confirmed that you will exactly see the tigers. You can see the sun rays sieving through the trees. It's a beautiful evening and we have put our sweaters because in returning I think we will need that. I think the fare of this vehicle is this jeep has been increased due to lockdown. It is 6,000 plus 600 for the guide. So in the evening time we are not lucky enough to spot the tiger. We are just happy with this elephant. So nice, huh? But you can see the sunsets. The evening is so beautiful, and the sunset is looking like a fire in the jungle. But it's not a fire, it's the sunset. It's so beautiful. And we are just returning to our resort. Let's check our luck tomorrow morning. And we have spotted this jungly buffaloes which are said to be wearing socks, but they are exactly not wearing socks. The color of their legs is like that. You can see the white color. Now we are back in our room, and you can see the dust all over here and eyelashes and eyebrows. We need to bath now. These are the few clicks from morning. You definitely need to wear a mask in the jungle also. So it's already night and we are going for a dinner. Let's see what's happening outside. There's a live counter for pav bhaji, and the main dinner is inside the restaurant, and you can see a beautiful setup for the musical night. Second day also well spent. Tomorrow we will go early morning, means around 6 or 6:30, to see the tigers. This is the next day, and this is very early in the morning, around 6 a.m., and we are heading towards the jungle. You can see the line over here also. You have to come out at least 2 hours before due to rush. Here it's written, बाघ की धरती में आपका स्वागत है. Welcome to the land of tigers. Let's see, we will be able to spot tiger today also or not. It's cold and a little bit of fog is there. So if you are having babies with you, kids with you, please cover them properly. I am sitting in front with the driver due to baby, or cold breeze will affect the baby, and the guide is sitting behind. We are going in back gear. We have just heard some roar of the tiger. Let's check. Yo, at this moment it is advisable to keep pin drop silence, but I am using voiceover in the video, so I am speaking. And finally हमारा कान्हा किसली आना सफल हुआ, the moment we were waiting for.
वो बैठा है एक। हाँ हाँ हाँ, एक है ना और बच्चे। ये है नीला। नीला में यहाँ आगे आगे जाने दो, आगे आगे जाने
Now we will do the breakfast in the jungle. Actually, we have got the breakfast from the resort. The way itself is very beautiful. And this is sambar deer, very big in size. And the peacock. And now we have reached the breakfast area. A particular spot is designated for the breakfast, because you can't throw anything in the jungle and can't stop the jeep anywhere. This spot is having very clean and very well maintained washrooms. Here they will stop for half an hour or 45 minutes. You can click pictures, and you can see the how beautiful a place it is, just as shown in films. Breakfast was very much sufficient. It included aloo parathas, sandwich, bananas, chips, and juices, and water bottle. You can hear Arjun singing Sambar Masala song of MDH after hearing the Sambar deer, and this is a very rare animal. This is called barking deer. And these are the general deers, the normal deers, which are very much viewed in all the jungles. Even in a small jungle, you can see a variety of deers, normal deers. One thing also I will like to mention that in the evening and in the morning, both you will go two sides of the jungle. Means you will not go in the same place both the time. And definitely 6,000 plus 600 for the guide is again chargeable for the morning time also. And this is the jackal or fox, whatever, I don't know the exact what it is, but I think it's white jackal. And the monkeys and the langurs all over. And now we are returning to our resort. You can see the boat of Kanha Rashtriya Udyan. अगर आप टाइगर एक टाइम में स्पॉट कर लेते हैं मॉर्निंग या इवनिंग में, तो आपको सेकंड टाइम जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू कैन सेव योर 6,600 rupees. It's around 11 a.m. and we are back in our rooms. The toy car Arjun is riding is chargeable. You have to pay 250 rupees for an hour. And my husband is also enjoying this. Let's go downstairs. I will also try. And this is me enjoying the ride. So much fun. And this is the pic of a spider which Arjun has taken, and he has edited the pic and written so cute on it. Now it's almost evening after the lunch, and it's the time to celebrate the anniversary of my in-laws. The whole decoration is done by the hotel staff. They have taken 1,000 extra rupees for this, and you can see the decoration over here. And this cake is complimentary from the hotel, made in the hotel itself, resort itself, sorry.
एक अरे ये बुझ गया. हाँ आप एक दादी आप एक. अरे ये बुझ कर वापस चल जा रही है. दादू आपको हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू. पापा ने मैजिकल कैरेक्टर्स लगवाए. पापा ये बुझती नहीं कभी. नहीं बुझेगी.
बस है धूप तो मारेगा क्यों
बुझती नहीं.
So done with all the celebrations. Arjun is saying candle bujhti nahi. He is very much astonished by the magical candles. Now again it's night time, and let's see what the setup is here. Today live stall is for pasta, live pasta. And today there are lots of games, game stalls, games tables are there for the enjoyment, and definitely they are paid. You have to pay 10 or 20 rupees for the tickets. And this area is having a lot of setup for kids and elders, like skylines, ropeways, and too many things are there, bungee jumping type of things. The best thing is that they are providing badmintons, and that we played a lot in the evening also, at the night also, and in the afternoon also. And this was all about Kanha Kisli tour. I hope you have enjoyed a lot, because we have enjoyed a lot. And please subscribe the channel. And this is the 4th day. We are just packing up and heading towards Raipur. Please do comment for the improvement in my videos. Bye bye. This is Shivnath Nadi en route to Raipur. Thank you so much.